In the last step, you learned how to make a single crochet. As you move to round 2, your pattern will start calling for increases. An increase is simply 2 single crochets made into one stitch of the previous round. When you add these inside a round, your stitch count goes up and the shape grows. It is important to place your increases exactly where the pattern tells you to, because that spacing is what creates the shape of your plush. As you move through the rounds, the number of stitches between your increases will change, and that is how the pattern controls the shaping. Now I will show you how an increase works, and right after that we'll get to the second round of your plushie. To make an increase, insert the hook into the first stitch of the previous round. Make sure you have 3 strands of yarn on your hook. Make 1 single crochet. Then, without moving away, insert your hook into the same stitch. Make a second single crochet. These 2 single crochets in the same spot form an increase. If you made the increase by mistake and only need 1 stitch, frog 1 of the single crochets so only 1 stays in that spot. If you want to undo the entire increase, keep frogging until you see the base stitch from the previous round. See you in the next video, where I will show you how to do this round for your plushie.